In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to see your full card number on Google Pay and whether or not it is possible to do this. To answer this question and see if it is possible to acquire the full card number for any card that you have registered on Google Pay, what you may try to do is go into your Google Wallet or open Google Pay, and what you will notice when you select any of the cards is that immediately it will give you the last 4 digits of the card. Is there any way or any button that you can press to see the full 16-digit card number inside of Google Pay? Sadly, as it stands, for most cards, they do not store that info and they do not give users the option to see or reveal the full card number whenever they wish. This is in order to improve security. If someone was to breach into your account, they would be able to see the full card number and make unauthorized charges. Because of this, Google Pay and many other services do not allow users to see the full card number on Google Pay. Even though you are able to see the primary cardholder's name and the last 4 digits, besides this information, you have no other full card number or any other critical information about this card. Like I said previously, you will not be able to acquire it from Google Pay. So if you lost a card and you need additional help because you don't have access to it anymore, what I recommend is that you remove this card from Google Pay and any other digital wallets and you replace it with a new one. Because you can only see the full 16-digit card number if you have the physical card with you, using the Google Pay app or any other app will not be of use. You will not be able to find the full 16-digit card number if this is a usual debit or credit card. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware about why Google Pay and other such services do not allow users to see the full card number inside of their apps, and why it is a security compromise.